18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Are you behind the costumes? No. Okay. Are you behind the bookshelf?
Boom!
Ah! You scared me.
Sorry. Hey, do you want to play Chicken Little?
Sure, as long as I get to be the fox.
All right.
Here you go, little guy. I'll get an acorn.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Just walking around the farm.
I'm a big, tall tree. Walk under me.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Just hanging out.
My acorn.
Ah! My head! Wait, what hit my head?
I don't know.
It must have been the sky? Help! Help! The sky is falling! Help!
You make a great chicken. Now I'm gonna be the hen.
Oh, no, 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 no. Help! Help! The sky is falling!
Chicken Little, what's wrong?
Henny Penny, Henny Penny. A piece of the sky fell and hit me on the head. And now the rest of the sky will probably fall and smush us all.
The sky is falling? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Help, help!
Now I'll be the duck.
The sky is
Henny
falling.
Penny, what in the world is going on?
Oh, Ducky Lucky, the sky is falling and it's gonna smush us all.
Oh no, the sky is falling? The sky is falling! Help! Help!
Help, help!
The sky's falling!
Now I'll be the fox.
No. Help! The sky is falling!
Oh, Ducky Lucky, what's the problem?
Oh, Foxy Loxy, the sky is falling and it's gonna crush us all.
And you're sure why?
Well, Henny Penny told me and Chicken Little told her.
And you're telling me, so it must be true. Come, we better take cover. Here, quick, come to my den.
Thank you, Foxy. Yes, this feels much safer.
And what about a little duck dinner?
A what? Ah! Ducky Lucky ran away from the tricky fox.
And Chicken Little, Henny Penny, and Ducky Lucky learned that whenever they're scared, just to take a deep breath and be calm instead. And they all lived happily ever after.
Okay, my turn to count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ready, set, go! I got this. All right, and that goes there, and this goes there. Done! I win. I'm so fast, I'm like lightning. Yes!
Slow down. You know what game I think we should play next?
What? The tortoise and the hare? Look, I'm sorry for bragging.
Look at me, I'm so fast. Have you ever seen anyone faster than me? I don't think so.
Hi, hare.
Tortoise? Is that you? You're so slow, I thought you were a rock.
How do you think your friends feel when you say they're slow? You always brag about how fast you are. I challenge you to a race.
Are you joking?
We'll race around the field to the finish line. We need a finish line.
On it. Ta-da!
Nice! I'll just plant these in the field.
Now we're ready for the race. Come on, tortoise.
On your mark.
Get set, go! Wow, I'm fast. Hey, tortoise, did you give up yet?
Slow and steady wins the race.
You're so slow. I could eat all of this food and still win. looks quite delicious.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Hey, Tortoise! You're so slow, I could take a nap and still win! All that food made me quite sleepy. Just one quick nap.
I told you slow and steady would win the race.
What? Huh? No! What? That's not fair.
You might be fast, but you have a lot to learn about being a good friend. Good race.
You know, you never gave up. Good race, my friend.
And from then on, the tortoise and the hare
Became very best friends.
The end! We should have a contest to see who can jump the highest.
How about we just jump together?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I really like this red brick. It matches my shirt. How cool! This blue one is really awesome. I love the way that it's just in the middle.
Okay, guys, we need to build a
Just
really tall skyscraper.
We just better not knock it down.
Bye!
Our tower.
It's okay. Let's build it again while we play the Three Little Pigs.
The 3 little pigs?
Yeah! Here, I'll be Mama Pig. And you'll be my 3 kids. 1, 2, 3. Little pigs, you're not little anymore. It's time for you to build houses of your own. Oh, Mama, I'll miss you.
A house of my own? Sounds great.
Now, be sure to build strong, safe houses and watch out for the big bad wolf. That big old bully will try to gobble you up. Goodbye, piggies, and good luck.
Bye!
Bye.
Okay, I'll be the pig who makes my house out of straw.
But we don't have straw.
Oh. Then I'll use this blanket. Come on, help me. There we go. All done. How fast was that? Now it's some time to relax. See you later, piggies.
Bye. I don't think that fort looks very sturdy. Do you? I think I'll make my house out of that cardboard box.
But that's a box.
That's okay. I'll draw the sticks on. This is my house of sticks. It's way stronger than my brother's, and it didn't even take that long to make. See you, sister. Come visit anytime. Now you can be the pig who...
Makes their house out of bricks.
Yeah. Here, I'll help you.
And I build a strong house that will never come down.
That's right. But as the 3 little pigs began to enjoy their new houses, they started to hear scary rumors that the big bad wolf had come to town. Ow! I smell pigs. I bet there's a little pig in here. Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Ah! Help! 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 Help!
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chins.
Then I'll I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Oh! Ah, help! 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 Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hairs on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Why won't this house fall down?
Because this house is made by strong bricks that will never come down.
Ouch!
Go away, bully.
Again. So the big bad wolf went away and never came back again.
And the little pig showed her sister and brother how to make strong houses that will never come down.
And they all lived
Happily ever after.
the end. Hey guys, I want to build a really big castle.
I want to build like a super, super tall tower.
Sounds like fun. I'll help.
The blue ones.
Blue and yellow for the tower.
My favorite color is red. No, all the red ones. Just pile all the red ones.
Yeah, let's turn it.
And then
This is a very tall tower.
No, there's a lot of red.
There's your diamond necklace.
Cool. What about sunglasses?
You look super fancy.
Thanks. What do you want to dress up as?
Ooh, I know. Want to play Country Mouse and City Mouse?
Cool. Yeah.
Here's my nice green meadow. Nothing but peace and quiet around here. I'm bored.
And here's my big fancy city house. I need a vacation from all this excitement. I'll go visit my cousin in the country. This suitcase is perfect. I'm walking to the country. Walk, walk, walk. I'm walking to the country. Walk, walk, walk. You live far,
Cousin, is that you?
all the way from the big city.
It's so good to see you.
So, what do you do in the country?
Well, we could play in the grass.
Okay.
We could watch the stars.
Okay.
We could look for food. Sometimes I find a nut or berries.
Or we could eat what I brought.
I've never seen so much food.
This is nothing. The giants that live in my house leave stuff like this all over the place.
Whoa. So, what do you do in the city?
Well, I guess you could say we count the stars too. But in the city, there are big, shiny, flashy lights in every color of the rainbow.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's mostly going from one adventure to the other.
The city sounds amazing. I wish I could visit you.
Okay, let's go.
We're walking to the city.
Walk, walk, walk.
We're walking to the city.
Walk, walk, walk. Welcome to my mansion. Looks like the giants left quite the feast.
This is awesome.
We need a city cat.
Oh, right.
I got it. You eat.
Okay. Tasty.
Meow. Meow.
Help!
Meow.
Help!
Meow. 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 Cousin, you can come out now. It's safe.
Safe? Are you sure?
That's just the cat. He chases us and we run away. It's all part of the adventure.
That's enough adventure for me, thanks. I miss the nice, quiet country.
Oh, well, come visit anytime.
You too. And so, from then on, the country mouse was grateful for his peaceful life in the country.
And the city mouse was grateful for a crazy life in the city. And
they both lived happily ever after.
So, what should we dress up as next?
I think I saw some pig ears back there.
Cool.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.